Namaste everyone. How is everyone doing? I know spring is around the corner. We had a long winter. You're all probably staying inside home and waiting for the spring and waiting for the sprouts to come out. The shoots are already out, few of them. Have you noticed some of the tulip shoots? Well, you know what? The spring is around the corner. Similarly, spring is around the corner for us, for ourselves in our body. And for that, we need to do some cleanup. You're all used to spring cleanup, right? So similarly, we need cleanup for our body. And that's why we have organized this Sookshma Meditation workshop by ancient living Master Sunita. And it's on March 11th from 2 to 5 p.m. at Evergreen Cultural Center in Coquitlam. In fact, we're doing this for the first time. In fact, we've done a couple of things in the past in Coquitlam, but in a beautiful place like Evergreen Cultural Center. Now, of course, a lot of you already registered. Thank you very much for taking time to register. And if you have not registered, here are a few of the reasons why you want to register. Let's say you are suffering from simple illnesses. Of course, lifestyle diseases today are very common, like diabetes, hypertension, heart problems, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, colitis, and psychological disorders like anxiety, depression, panic attacks, all kinds of psychological illnesses. If you are having any of these issues, you need to attend this workshop, because in my last 11 years of journey and in past 4 decades of healing journey of Master Sunita, she has seen every single of these illnesses heal. Dears, including cancer, it doesn't matter, first stage, second stage, third stage, you need to attend this workshop. And the beauty of this workshop is it's only 3 hours. It's not like full day. Last time we have done a full day retreat and a lot of people said, oh, we are very busy. Can you do it half a day? So we said, let's do a very comprehensive but intense, but at the same time giving you full results. It's a 3-hour workshop. So if you are going through simple stress, even simple day-to-day stress, which is causing frustration, irritation in you, maybe you're going through certain changes in your life, in your physical body, maybe you're going through certain stages of life where your physical body is changing, maybe you're going through a career change, maybe you're going through a relationship issue. If you're going through any of this issue, and students, if you are going through a tough time at university, college, we have seen people who have come to Sunita with dyslexia, with learning problems, learning disabilities, and all of them heal in a phenomenal way. Dears, even if you're perfectly fine and you're wanting to tap into that pure potential and you feel like, yes, I'm made for something, but I'm not able to get there, this is the workshop you want to attend. Your peak potential, your creative potential, and that energy, that bubbling energy that you want to have all the time, but you're not able to. This is the workshop you want to be. Dears, many people think when I say meditation, because there is so much of misunderstanding about meditation and also mispropaganda about meditation. People think meditation is just closing eyes and trying to control the thoughts and trying to relax. Well, mindfulness meditation, that's just one tip of the iceberg, one small layer. But this meditation is not ordinary. And I'm not trying to sell this to you. I'm trying to talk from my experience, and hundreds and thousands have experienced this meditation. This is done by a very rare ancient living master who doesn't have any techniques. Yes, there will be some techniques that she will teach you that you can take home. But beyond that, Sunita is an embodiment of the pure vibration. When you meditate in her presence, you are able to tap into that subtlest of the subtle space in you. We all know that. When we close our eyes, we see that, but we don't experience that. In deep sleep, maybe we experience that sometimes, but how many of us are having deep sleep these days? That state of pure divine bliss, that state of pure energy, you are able to experience in meditation. And true meditation is where you can see the shift. Every single person, you go back and look at our recordings. People who have attended our last workshop, you should see their feedback. They have attended just one session and their feedback is simply mind-blowing, because they see the shift. In 2 hours, you will be like, wow, I've never experienced this type of shift in my body, in my emotions, in my skin tone. Your skin tone changes immediately. Glow in it, twinkle in the eyes, sweetness in the tone. you name it, tears. You know what? I can keep on explaining, but the beauty of this ancient divine meditation is unexplainable. You have to experience it. How many ever volumes of books I talk about, how many hours of video I record and explain you, unless you come and take that one step, all that you need to do is just take that one step. Get on to our website, peacetree.ca. There's a link for you to register and get your ticket and come for this workshop. And it is just $55, dears. I know if you go out for dinner, we spend more than that. If a family goes out for dinner, we spend $100 minimum. $55 is an investment for yourself. This is the most precious resource in the world, your body and mind. And to able to take care of this precious resource so that you can perform your day-to-day duties in a phenomenal way. It's for you. It's a gift for yourself. We give gifts to so many people, for our loved ones. We bring flowers, sweets, chocolates, this, that. Go to restaurants, eat so much of junk food out there. But this $55 that you invest in this simple workshop will transform your life in a phenomenal way. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll continue to share the inspiration and hope to see you all on March 11th from 2 to 5 at Evergreen Cultural Center in the beautiful Coquitlam. Namaste. Thank you very much.